Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss how can you install the JDK. If you want to compile any Java programs, you should have the JDK in your system. If you does not have it, you need to install it. First, we will discuss how can we verify whether the Java or the JDK is already existing in your system or not. How can we verify is that we can click the Windows button and then type cmd. You can look at command prompt is there. Click on this one. Now the command prompt has been opened. Now you need to type java -version. Look at here. As the Java is not there, you are getting an error called Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Even you can type this command also, java c -version. Is it clear? Look at here. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. If Java is installed, then version will be displayed. As the Java is not installed in my system, this error is coming. Now we will discuss how can we install. Okay. So you need to go to the Google and then type the JDK download, Java Development Kit. You need to download. Okay. Now look at here. You are in the website called oracle.com. This is the official website to download the Java. Click on this one. Now you are entered into the oracle.com website. Now it will show the latest version. If you watch this video after few days, the version may vary. See, look at here. JDK 17 will receive updates under this term until at least September 2024. Okay, is it clear? So this is the version 17. Now look at here. You can install the Java on Linux operating system, on Mac operating system, and also on the Windows. If you want to install on the Linux, you need to click on the Linux, or Mac, you need to click on the Mac OS button. As I want to install on the Windows operating system, I will click Windows. Now look at here. You are getting the three files. One is compressed one, installer, MSI installer. I want to go for this x64 installer, which is 152 MB. This is the URL to download the exe file. Okay, let me click on this one. Now look at here, it is asking the permission. You want to save it or cancel. If you click the save, then download will start. If you press on the cancel, the download will stop. As I want to continue the download further, I will click this save file option. Okay, now look at here, the downloading has been started. Is it clear? Okay, so now the downloaded has been completed. You can double click on this one. Once you double click it, the permission will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I will click yes. Okay, if you click on yes, look at here how it will start. See, the installation has been started. Look at here. Welcome to installation wizard for Java SC Development Kit 17.0.1. I will click the next. Okay. Look at here. This is the path where the Java will be installed. If you want to change the path, you can click this change button and you can select the appropriate one. Like, is it clear? But as I want to install on the default one on the C program files Java JDK, I will just click the next button. Okay, if I click the next button, installation will start. Okay, it will take few minutes. We'll just wait for some time. Now you can look at here. It took less than 1 minute for me to install this one. Okay, so look at here. You will get a message called completed, means Java you have successfully installed. Okay, if you want to download this or you want to look at the documentation session or anything, you can click the next steps. If you want to close this one, you can close this one. So now Java has been successfully installed. Now if you want to see where it is installed, you can click the Windows. Okay, Windows E. Okay, then go for the C. Is it clear? Then program files, then Java. Is it clear? So JDK 17.0.1, then you click it, then you have the bin. Now the thing is that we need to set up the path. If you does not set up the path, what will happen is that if you write any Java program, you need to paste it here or you need to write here. Then only you can compile and then you can execute the program. But if you want to save anywhere and you want to compile and execute the Java program, then you need to set up the class path. Okay, how to do it I will discuss with you now. Now click on this URL, okay, and then right click it, press the copy button. Okay, is it clear? Then press the Windows and then enter the control panel. So we'll go to the control panel. Okay, in this one you have the system and security. Please press on the system and security option, and then you will get it several options like security and maintenance, all these things. Click on the system. Okay, you can see like this it will display. Then now you please press advanced system settings here. Okay, advanced system settings. Now you can see here view advanced system settings. Press on it. Now you can get the system properties, computer name, hardware, advanced, and here you can see the environmental variables. If someone thinking, sir, why should I do this much? I will tell you the shortcut also. Okay, what is that shortcut is, you press the Windows and then type env. Now you will get edit the environment variables. Click on that one. Now you can see you got the system properties. Okay, now press the environment variables. Okay, now you will get user variables, system variables. Okay, in system variables you can see the path. Okay, click on this one. Okay, now you will get edit environment variable. Okay, now enter the new. Okay, type on, means click on the new. Okay, once I click it, whatever I have copied I will paste here. Look at here, it will pasting as C, program files, Java, JDK, and then bin. Okay, now I will press OK. I will press OK here. I will press OK here also. Now you have successfully installed the Java, and also you have kept this path also. Okay, now if you want to verify whether the installation is successfully done or not, you can click the Windows button and then type the CMD command prompt. Okay, click on that one. Now if I type Java -version, now you can get it. See, you are getting the version, Java version. Before installation we got an error that Java command is not recognized. Okay, now you are getting the version, which version you have installed. Similarly, you can type Java C -version. Now Java C version also you will get Java C 17.0.1. Even you can type Java C. Okay, all these things it will display. So the meaning is that we have successfully installed the Java and even kept the path also. Now you can run the Java programs, means you can write a Java program, you can save it anywhere, and you can successfully compile and execute the program from anywhere in the system. I hope you have understood how I done the installation. If you still have any doubts related to this installation process, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.